Hey everyone, today I want to talk about two reductions. The first reduction is a lotta. A lotta is a reduction of the phrase a lot of. And the other reduction that I want to talk about today is lotsa. And lotsa is a reduction of the phrase lots of. Both of these are quantifiers. That means that we use them to talk about the quantity that we have of something or the amount that we have of something, how much we have of something. I can use a lotta and lotsa with both plural count nouns and non-count nouns. And I'm going to show us examples of both of those now. Hi, Junebug. Everybody, this is Junebug. Junebug has a lot of toys. Junebug has lots of toys. Look at all these plants. Katie has a lot of plants. Katie has lots of plants. Cereal. Now, cereal could be both a count noun or a non-count noun. We're going to use it as a non-count noun. We have a lot of cereal. We have lots of cereal.